Check. Both teams, punta na po sa mga sulok. Magsisimulan na po tayo. Sa labas po, sa labas pala. Bukas yung gate, bukas yung gate. Pasuyo na lang po yung mga bola, pasoli na lang po dito sa committee. Both teams po, doon po tayo sa may labas ng gate para po sa ating entrance. Pasuyo na lang po ng bola, idol. Lagi po, sa labas na po tayo, both teams. Purok 1, 2, 3. Labas na po tayo. SK Cup 2025 Dila Sports League. Welcome to everybody for our finals night. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our senior division battle for final. Team Purok 1-2-3 versus Team Maha. And for Team Purok 1-2-3, first in line. Wala muna pong papasok. Nasayang ang momentum. Again, Team Purok 1-2-3. First in line, wearing jersey number 1, Publico. Wearing jersey number 4, Almodovar. Wearing jersey number 7, Dasilio. Wearing jersey number 8, Fiel. Wearing jersey number 9, Turner. Wearing jersey number 10, Calianta. Wearing jersey number 11, Zamor. Wearing jersey number 12, Solomon. And wearing jersey number 5, Barraquio. And wearing jersey number 2, Amon. Palakpakan po natin ang Team Purok 1-2-3. And now our defending champion, Team Maha. Wearing jersey number 2, Patitis. Wearing jersey number 3, Bihon. Wearing jersey number 4, Manguban. Wearing jersey number 5, Manny. Wearing jersey number 6, Flores. Wearing jersey number 9, Cabana. Wearing jersey number 10, Cartanio. Wearing jersey number 12, Acero. Wearing jersey number 11, Bilielon. Wearing jersey number 1, Katintik. And wearing jersey number 7, Ramos. Yan po ang Team Maha. Buksan po versus between Team Maha versus Purok 1-2-3. Magandang gabi po sa lahat ng ating mga kabarangay. Kayo po ay nanonood ng ating SK Cup 2025 Dila Sports League Finals Night. Sa gitna po tayo mga sir. with our official referee, Rodriguez Code, Carl Missen Sandoval, and Jasper Mariano.
Asan may SK? SK? Mga SK? Teacher day dyan.
Ising mo ano na, business. Ang SK. Hey! Tagal kasi. Si Eric, pangalawa. Si Jasper.
Okay, pa-picture muna po. Maha tsaka Purok 1, 2, 3. Pa-picture lang daw po ang mga SK. Diyan lang po muna kayo. Diyan lang po muna. Picture lang daw po with SK. SK, pasok na po. Pasok.
Picture. Wala akong camera. Ayun na lang akong ito. Ayaw eh. Ano, kukunin ko na lang dyan.
Okay, konti dikit-dikit lang po.
Yan, ano na lang.
Okay. Okay, first by both teams. Okay. First by both teams. No passerel po tayo. Play all. Okay. Ramos. Perimeter shot agad. Sablay. Rebound by Almodovar. Publico driving layup. No good. Rebound by Binalon. Binalibat kay Ramos. Ramos. Easy 2 points. Publico. Publico. Pass to Calyata. Still by Ancero. Ramos. Binalibat kay Flores. Malakas. Out of bounds. Purok 1-2-3 ball. Publico. Pass to Almodovar. Fiel for 3. No good. Rebound by Cabanan. Flores. Flores pass to Cabanan. Cabanan for 3. No good. Rebound by Calanta. Publico. Publico nagmamadali. Publico. Block by Ancero. Rebound by Ancero. Villalon. Pass to Ramos. Ramos. 10 seconds to shoot. Ramos. Driving it. Ramos traveling. Same foot. Fiel. Fiel, nagbaba na bola. Pumukol ang 3. Fiel, no good. Rebound by Ancero. Ramos, binalibat kay Flores. Pass to Cabanan. Out of bounds. Publico. Publico. Pass to Almodovar. Pumihit. Almodovar, no good. Out of bounds. Same ball. Fiel. Pass to Zamora. Pass to Calanta. 10 seconds to shoot. Almodovar. 5 seconds to shoot. Fiel, 2 points. Flores. Ay, magandang gabi, Consi Buchoy. Flores. Pass to Ancero. Perimeter shot, no good. Rebound by Calanta. Publico. Publico pass to Fiel. To make it, Fiel traveling. Ramos. Pass to Flores. Flores, pumukol ang 3. No good. Rebound by Fiel. Fiel, nagmamadali. Fiel, pumersa. Pass to Zamora. Perimeter shot. No good. Ancero. Villalon. Flores. To Ancero. No good. Rebound by Publico. Publico nagmamadali. Publico. Nice tinan. Ramos. Ramos. Pass to Cabanan. Cabanan. 2 points. Timeout. Purok. 1, 2, 3. Official score 4-2. Back to the ball game. Okay. Publico. Publico. Pass to Fiel. Perimeter shot. No good. Rebound by Zamora. Out of bounds. Mahabol. Ramos. Pass to Flores. Pass to Gabanan. Gabanan. Pass to Villaron. Perimeter shot. No good. Rebound by Flores. Pass to Ramos. Ramos. Perimeter shot. 2 points by Ramos. Publico. Publico. Nagtitimon. Publico driving layup. Out of bounds. Sub-rep. Same ball daw po. Same ball. Sub-rep. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Dasilio. 2 points by Dasilio. Ramos. Pass to Flores. Binalik kay Ramos. Ramos for 3. No good. Out of bounds. Publico. Nagpababa ng bola. Publico. Pass to Dasilio. Dasilio, no good. Rebound by Gabanan. Gabanan, nagmamadali. Pass to Flores. Binalik kay Gabanan. Gabanan to Ramos. Out of bounds. Same ball. Flores. Pass to out of bounds. Same ball. Gabanan. Pass to Flores. Flores to Ancero. Flores for 3, no good. Blocked by Calanta. Out of bounds. Mahabol. Ramos. Pass to Ancero. To Flores. Gabanan to Villalon. Villalon to Vera, no good. Rebound by Dasilio. Dasilio. Pass to Almodovar. Almodovar. Pinalik kay Dasilio. 10 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Mahabol. Sabrap. Ramos. Nagbababa ng bola. Pass to Gabanan. Gabanan. Pumapersa. Gabanan. Foul. Foul number 10. Calanta. Calanta. First personal foul. First team foul. Villalon. 10 seconds to shoot. Gabanan. Napersa. Traveling. Traveling violation. Okay. Almodovar. Almodovar. Pass to Calanta. Tumungot. Foul. Foul number 9. Gabanan. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shot for Calanta. Monjing, balik ka muna dito. Mamaya. Sorry. Nabigay na. First throw, basket. Pag pumasok, sabi. Second throw. Basket. Sabrap. Ramos. Ramos nagbababa ng bola. Pass to Villalon. Binalik kay Ramos. Ramos traveling. Dasilio. Pass to Calanta. Pass to Almodovar. Out of bounds. Mahbol. Ramos. Pass to Villalon. Villalon. Block by Solomon. Pass to Almodovar. Almodovar. 2 points. Villalon. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Pass to Magubat. Bihon. Perimeter shot. No good. Bihon pa rin. Villalon. 10 seconds to shoot. Bihon ulit. No good. Calanta. Publiko. Nagbawa ng bola. Pass to Dasilio. 3 point. Ramos. Ramos. Pumasok sa loob na agawan. Binalibat kay nakakuha. Foul. Foul number 4. Almodovar. First personal foul. Second team foul. Ancero. Pass to Ramos. Ramos. 10 seconds to shoot. Ramos pa rin. Tumukol ng 3. Ramos for 3. Out of bounds. Purok 1, 2, 3 ball. Publiko. Pass to Calanta. To Dasilio. Dasilio, perimeter shot. 2 points by Dasilio. Ramos nagmamadali. Ramos. Pass to Mangubat. Mangubat. 2 points. Publiko. Publiko. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound by Solomon. Solomon dinong block by Villalon. Out of bounds. Pass to Publiko. Dasilio. Binalik kay Publiko to Baracchio. Baracchio pumeke. Baracchio 2 points. Remaining time 7 seconds. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. And the first quarter official score 15-8 in favor of Purok. 1, 2, 3. To the ball game. Okay, second quarter. Purok 1, 2, 3. Amor. Nagtitim pass to Calanta. Calanta. Naagawan, Kabanan. Pass to Flores. Flores nagmamadali pass. Still by out of bounds. Same ball. Flores. Pass to Mangubat. Ancero, perimeter shot, 2 points. Amor, nagbababa ng bola. Pass to Dasilio. Pinalik kay Amor. Dasilio. Perimeter. Perimeter shot, 2 points by Dasilio. Flores, binalibat kay Ramos. Ramos, 2 points by Ramos. Amor. Amor, nagbababa ng bola. Pass to Turner. Turner. Pass to Dasilio. Pumeke. Dasilio. Dasilio, no good. Rebound by. Nakuha ni Flores. Flores. Ang bilis. 2 points by Flores. Takbong 60. Amor. To Dasilio. To Calanta. Calanta, foul. Foul number 6. Flores. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shot for Calanta. Okay, first one, no good. Second throw, basket. Flores. Flores, pass to Manghubat. Manghubat, binalik kay Flores. To Ramos. Ramos, binalik kay Ancero. Ancero, perimeter shot, no good. Rebound by Ancero. Manghubat. Flores, 10 seconds to shoot. Ancero, perimeter shot, no good. Calanta to Amor. Amor. Still. Nakuha ni Ancero. Manghubat. Pass to Gabanan. Gabanan. Driving. Wala. Out of bounds. Purok 1-2. Sabrep. Amor. Pass to Fiel. Calanta. Calanta, poposte. Solomon. Solomon, umabara ko. Solomon. Wala pa rin. Almodovar, foul. Foul number 6. Flores. Second personal foul, second team foul. 2 shot for Almodovar.
Kanina? Sige,
First throw basket. Second throw. What's up? Second throw basket. Flores. Flores. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 12, Solomon. First personal foul, first team foul. Villalon, pass to Flores. Flores, 4-3, no good. Ramos, perimeter shot, wala pa rin. Rebound by Calanta. Fiel. 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 Pass to Solomon. Solomon, 2 p.m. Calanta. Calanta traveling. Ramos. Binalibat kay Gabanan, still by. Nakuha ni Gabanan pa rin. Gabanan to Binalon. Binalik kay Ramos. Ramos pumihit. Foul. Foul number 8. Fiel. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 shot for Ramos. First throw basket. Second throw. Good. Rebound by Solomon. Amor, nagbababa ng bola. Amor. Pass to Fiel for 3. No good. Rebound by Ancero. Binalibat kay Ramos. Ramos nagbabate. Ramos foul. Foul number 8. Fiel. Second personal foul. Third team foul. 2 shot for Ramos. First throw, no good. Second throw. Second throw basket. Fiel. Nagbababa na bola si Fiel. Fiel. Pass to Solomon. Solomon. Papasok sa loob si Solomon. Fade away shot by Solomon. No good. Rebound by Ancero. Gabanan. Pass to Ramos. Ramos lilipad. Wala. Rebound by Solomon. Still by Gabanan. Gabanan. 2 points. Timeout. Purok. 1, 2, 3. Official score 2018 in favor of Purok. 1, 2, 3. Wala na po kang timeout. Purok ha, sa first half. Wala na po kayong timeout. Back to the ball game. Okay. Fiel. Nagbaba ng bola si Fiel. Pass to Almodovar. Tokalata. Fiel. Pumukol ang tres. Fiel, no good. Almodovar, kinaliwa, 2 points. Flores. Flores. Pass to Ancero. Pinalik kay Flores. Kabal to Villalon. Villalon. Traveling. Fiel. Still by Flores. Flores nagmamadali. Flores to Ramos. To Gabanan. Gabanan to Flores. Flores wala pa rin. Out of bounds. Same ball. Flores. Pass to Ancero. To Ramos. 10 seconds to shoot. Flores for 3. No good. Rebound by Ancero. To Villalon. Perimeter shot. Purok 1-2 ball. Publico. Pass to Almodovar. To Solomon, dinukot. Solomon, 2 points. Flores, pass to Gabanan. Pumiit, Gabanan. Out of bounds. Purok 1-2 ball. Sabrep. Publico. Publico na ang pahawa na bola. Pass to Solomon. Binaling kay Publico. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Gabanan. Pass to Ramos. Foul. Foul number 1. Publico. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Flores, pass to Gabanan. Gabanan lumipad. Wala. Rebound by Publico. Out of bounds. Mahabol. Villalon. Pass to Flores. Villalon ulit. Perimeter shot. No good. Fiel. Fiel. Pass to Publico. To Calanta. 10 seconds to shoot. Zamora. Perimeter shot. No good. Still by Ramos. Ramos nagmamadali. Ramos ay save. Ramos no good. Publico. Pass to Zamora. Perimeter shot. No good. Gabanan. Gabanan binalibat kay Ramos. Ramos. Wala pa rin. Zamora. Pass to Fiel. Fiel driving layup. Fiel no good. Almodovar 2 points. Timeout. Maha. Official score 26-18 in favor of Purok. 1-2-3. Back to the ball game.
Rescue natin, rescue.
Ate Margie, okay ka na ba dyan? Yeah, gusto ko sa'yo. Ramos. Pass to Gabanan. Gabanan for 3. No good. Rebound by Solomon. Solomon. Tinawid ang bola. Pass to Fiel. Publico. 10 seconds to shoot. Fiel. Still, Ansero binalibat kay Flores. Flores pass to Ramos. Easy 2 points by Ramos. Zamora. To Fiel. Fiel. Fiel, driving there, no good. Ansero to Gabanan. Gabanan, aatake. Out of bounds. Publico. Pass to Almodovar. Almodovar, aatake. No good. Ramos. Ramos, nagbaba. Pass to Flores. Flores, 2 points. Apat na lang kalamangan. Solomon. Relax lang daw. Publico. Magandang gabi, Konsi. EJ Cartaño. 6 seconds to shoot. Steal by Ancero. Flores, pinalibat kay Ramos. Ramos. Paso. Villalon. Villalon. Bumali ba? Wala. Gabanan. Wala pa rin. Gabanan. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Fiel to Solomon. Solomon. Atake. Solomon, 2 points. Remaining time, 18 seconds. Flores to Ancero. Perimeter shot. No good. Rebound by Gabanan. 6 seconds. Flores for 3. No good. Wait lang po. Basket po ba? Basket count. 5 Villalon. 2 points. Official score 28-24. In favor of Purok. 1, 2, 3.
Hindi ko makita dito. Up kasi ito eh. Up.
Okay. Next game po natin, Junior Division. Phase 2E and Phase 4.
Ayaw kuya. Kaya?
Okay, pasuyo na lang po ng bola. Nagpapalit.
Akin. Kala ko tumahan.
Okay na po, referee.
Next year na. Next year na lang next year.
Nasaan yung referee nating isa? Anatay. Ayun na. Nakapaghugas sa mara. Third quarter. Ramos. Pass to Batitis. Binalik kay Batitis. Gabanan. 2 points. Park Gabanan. Barakyo. For 3. 3 points. Ramos to Flores. Binalik kay Ramos. Ramos pumukol Andres. No good. Rebound by Calanta. Paso Dasilio. Fiel. Fiel. to Baracchio. 10 seconds to shoot. Almodovar to Baracchio. Baracchio, no good. Ramos. Binalibat kay Batidis. Batidis. Pass to Gabanan. Gabanan. Pumapersa. Nakuha ni Flores. Flores, 2 points. Fiel. Pass to Dasilio. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Baracchio. Baracchio for 3, no good. Sa kanya pa rin. Baracchio, tear bomb. Wala. Nakuha ni Batidis. Pass to Ramos. Gabanan. Binalik kay Ramos. Easy 2 points. Timeout. Puro. 1, 2, 3. Official score 31-30. Isa na lang po ang kalamangan. Back to the ball game. Ay, andyan pala kayo. Ang aking mga siblings. Publiko. Pasu, Canada, Dasilio. Nasundutan. Nakuha ba? Out of bounds. Mahabol. Okay, pass to Ramos. Ramos, nagbababa ng bola. Pass to Flores. To Gabanan. Gabanan, 2 points. Change paper na po tayo. Publiko. Pass to Calata. Calata traveling. Ramos. Pass to Flores. Binalik kay Ramos. To Flores, to Gabanan. Gabanan ulit. No good. Rebound by Ancero. Ramos. Perimeter shot. 2 points by Ramos. Solomon. Solomon. Pass to Publico. 10 seconds to shoot. Dasilio. Perimeter shot. No good. Rebound by Almodovar. Binale. Almodovar, 2 points. Ramos. Aatake. Ramos. Batidis. 2 points by Batidis. Publico. Publico. Still by Gabanan. Pinalibat kay Batidis. Pass to Ramos. Gabanan. No good. Out of bounds. Kurok, 1-2 ball. Sabrap. Sige po, pasok. Pacheck yung ano dyan ah. Fiel, pass to Solomon. Solomon. Out of bounds, Mahabor. Ramos. Ramos, pass to Flores, to Gabanan. Ancero, 2 points. 5 na ang kalamangan ng Maha. Fiel. Fiel. Pass to Dasilio. Dasilio, no good. Gabanan, binalibat kay Ramos. Ramos, easy 2 points. Warning number 1, Katindig for delaying the game. Fiel. Pass to Solomon. Solomon for 3, no good. Gabanan. Katindig. Pass to Flores. Flores. Flores driving layup. 2 points by Flores. Naiwan bukas. Dasilio. Dasilio. Pass to Almodovar. To Solomon. Solomon. Umatake. Solomon. No good. Rebound by Fiel. Di ko nakita. Okay, pasuyo po tayo dyan. Sub, rep, sub. Pasuyo po. Fiel. Pass to Dasilio. To Zamora. 10 seconds to shoot foul. Who's foul, rep? Foul number 1, Katindig. First personal foul, first team foul, 2 shot for Zamora. First throw, no good. Second throw. Second throw, wala. Rebound by Zamora, ay Solomon. Solomon, out of bounds. Bola daw, Paraguay. Flores. Flores, pass to Katindig. Katindig for 3. No good. Rebound by Kalanta. Fiel. Pass to Zamora. Binalik sa kanya, Fiel. To Dasilio. Dasilio, 3 points. Katindig. Pass to Ancero. Katindig. Ancero, perimeter shot. Foul. Foul number 8. Fiel. Third personal foul. First team foul. 2 shot for Ancero. First throw, no good. Second throw, wala pa rin. Fiel. Pass to Kalanta. Binalik kay Fiel. Pass to Zamora. 10 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Mahabon. Ramos. Ramos. Ramos pa rin, nagtitimon. 10 seconds to shoot. Ramos, perimeter shot. Wala. Sa kanya pa rin. Ramos, dinugot. Ramos, wala. Nakuha ni Gabanan. Gabanan, wala pa rin. Fiel. Fiel. Pumersa. Fiel, no good. Almodovar, 2 points. Ang laki mo. Ramos. Binalik kay Ramos. Mane, no good. Almodovar. Binababa bola. Pass to Dasilio. Dasilio. Out of bounds. Mahabol. Sabrap. Ramos. Pass to Flores. Binalik kay Flores. Pass to Gabanan. Gabanan, 2 points. Nice pass. Fiel. To Amor. Amor. Pass to Fiel. 10 seconds to shoot. Kalata, no good. Rebound by Almodovar. Pass to Zamora. Zamora, no good. Ansero to Gabanan. Gabanan. No good. Rebound by Amor. Almodovar. Kalanda. Pumaposte. Pass to Almodovar. Almodovar pass to Fiel. 2 points by Fiel. Flores to Ramos. Ramos. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Flores. Flores, no good. Rebound by Almodovar. Remaining time, 26 seconds. Pass to Amor. To Fiel. 10 seconds to shoot. Fiel. Amor. 5 seconds to shoot. No good. Remaining time, 6 seconds. Flores. Nagmamadali. Pass to Ramos. End of third quarter. Official score 44-40 in favor of Maha. Next game po natin. Junior Division. Phase 2E and Phase 4. Back to the ball game. Last and final quarter. Apat po ang kalamangan ng Maha. Okay. Fiel, pass to Almodovar. Pass to Solomon. Solomon for 3. No good. Ansero. To Ramos. Flores for 3. 3 points. Pito na ang kalamangan ng Maha. Solomon. Pass to Almodovar. Foul. Foul number 6. Flores. Third personal foul. First team foul. Almodovar. Pass to Publico. Publico atake. Nice in love. Nakakuha ni Ramos. Ramos lilipad. Ramos no good. Publico foul. Foul number 6. Flores. Third personal foul, second team foul. Apat na si Flores. Solomon. Pass to Almodovar. Calanta, 2 points. Ramos. Pass to Villalon. 10 seconds to shoot. Villalon, no good. Pass to Publico. So Solomon. Atake Solomon, no good. Sa kanya pa rin. Solomon. Foul. Foul number 12. Ancero. First personal foul, third team foul. 2 shot for Solomon. First throw, no good. Second throw. Second throw, basket. Flores. Nagpababa ng bola. Pass to Gabanan. Gabanan, atake, pass to Ramos. To Flores. To Villalon. 3 seconds violation. Solomon. Pass to Almodovar. To Calanta. Calanta, no good. Foul. Double foul. Foul number. Samahan muna tayo. Who's foul rep? Gabanan. Gabanan. Second personal foul. Pares 9. Turner, number 9. Si Turner ilan na? First personal. Gabanan. Second personal foul. Okay. Gabanan. Pass to Flores. Sa kanya ulit. To Ancero. Perimeter shot. 2 points by Ancero. Solomon. Solomon. To Almodovar. Solomon ulit. 10 seconds to shoot. Calanta. To Almodovar. No good. Flores. Nagmamadali si Flores. Pass to Gabanan. Umatake Gabanan. 2 points. Ay, kaninong mga anak to? Pasuyo po, ay! Solomon. 10 seconds to shoot. Almodovar. Pumubo kasi. Pass to Calanta. 5 seconds to shoot. Block by Ancero. Ancero. Pass to Ramos. To Villalon. Villalon. 2 points by Villalon. Publico. Almodovar. 2 points by Almodovar. Flores. Flores, pass to Gabanan. To Ramos, 10 seconds to shoot. Ramos, 3 points. Timeout. Puro, 1, 2, 3. Official score. 56-45 in favor of Maha. Isa na lang po ang timeout ng Purok. Sa Maha, 3 pa. 3 pa ang inyong timeout. Okay. Back to the ball game. Okay. Solomon. Pass to Publico. Publico atake. Pass to Almodovar. Nakuha ni Bion. Pass to Ramos. Flores. Villalon. To Flores. 2 points by Flores. Dasilio to Solomon. Publico. Solomon for 3. 3 points. Villalon to Flores. Flores. Tumukol Andres. Flores, no good. Villalon to Ramos. 10 seconds to shoot. Ramos. 5 seconds to shoot. Beyond. No good. Shot clock violation. Sub rep. Sige, pasok. Sub po. Pasok lang. Okay, Solomon. Solomon, pass to Almodovar. To Dasilio. Dasilio, no good. Rebound by Cabanan. Flores. Flores, pass to Ancero. Perimeter shot, no good. Calana to Solomon. Pass to Dasilio. Dasilio pumenge. 2 points by Dasilio. Ancero. Nagawa ni Dasilio. Dasilio. Easy 2 points by Dasilio. Time out. Maha. Official score 58-52 in favor of Maha. 6 na lang po. Next game po natin, Junior Division. Phase 2E and Phase 4. Back to the ball game. Okay. Cabanan to Villalon. Villalon. Pass to Ramos. Ramos. Foul. Foul number 7. Dasilio. First personal foul. Second team foul. Ramos. Ramos. 10 seconds to shoot. Ramos pa rin. 5 5 seconds to shoot. To Villalon. To Ramos. Nice pass. 2 points by Ramos. Fiel. Pass to Halanta. To Solomon. 10 seconds to shoot. To Dasilio. 5 seconds to shoot. Solomon. Pinalibat kay Ramos. Ramos. Easy 2 points. Almodovar. Foul. Foul number 9. Third personal foul. Penalty. Okay. Medyo madulas po. Wala. Okay na? First throw. Oh, good. Second throw. Second throw, rebound by Gabanan. Villalon. Villalon. Pass to Flores. 10 seconds to shoot. Flores, atake. Flores, 5 seconds to shoot. And 0. No good. Rebound by Almodovar. To Fiel. Fiel. Solomon. Almodovar. To be hit. Almodovar. Foul. Foul number. Foul number.
Good.
Foul number 12, and 0. Second personal foul, penalty. 2 shot for Almodovar. First throw, basket. Second throw. Second throw, wala. Rebound by Fiel. Fiel to Almodovar. Dasilio, no good. Out of bounds, same ball. Fiel. Pass to nakagawa ni Flores, binalibat kay Ramos. Ramos, easy 2 points. Dasilio to Almodovar. Almodovar, no good. Rebound by Villalon. Pass to Ramos. To Flores. Flores, no good. Foul. Foul number 8. Fourth personal foul, third team foul, 2 shot for Flores. First throw. First throw, no good. Second throw. Wala pa rin. Almodovar. Almodovar, pass to Solomon. Solomon for 3, no good. Rebound by Calanta. Foul. Foul number 9. personal foul. Penalty. Purok, wala na po kayong timeout. Purok, 1, 2, 3. Samaha, dalawa. Back to the ball game. Last 2 minutes. Two shot for Kalanta. First throw basket. Second throw. Second throw po natin. Basket pa rin. Villalon. 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 10 seconds to shoot. Villalon. 5 seconds to shoot. And 0. No good. Rebound by Publico. Publico nagmamadali. Foul. Foul number 7. Ramos. First personal foul penalty. Two shots for Publico. First throw no good. Second throw. Second throw. Wala. Flores. Nagmamadali. Flores. Pass to Gabanan. Binale Gabanan. Wala. Rebound by Dasilio. Pass to Publico. To Almodovar. Almodovar. 2 points. Timeout. Maha. Official score. 64-57 in favor of Maha. Okay, back to the ball game. Remaining time 1 minute and 6 seconds.
1 minute ka lang. 1 minute ka lang.
Gabanan. Pass to Flores. Foul. Pushing foul number. Sino to? Si Almodovar. Ha? Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Ramos. Pass to Gabanan. Last 1 minute. Gabanan. 6 seconds to shoot. Villalon. No good. Rebound by Kalanta. Pass to Solomon. Publico. 2 points by Publico. Gabanan. Pass to Ramos. Ramos. Foul. Foul number. Kalanta. Second personal foul penalty. Palit daw bola. Boss Eric. Yan. 2 shot for Ramos. Ay. May madali po kayo dyan, ha? Ayan. Okay, second throw. No good. Rebound by Calata. To Solomon. Pass to Dasilio. Solomon for 3. No good. Out of bounds. Mahabol. Remaining time 23 seconds. Ramos. Foul. Dasilio. Second personal foul. Penalty. Next game po natin, Junior Division. Phase 2E and Phase 4. Okay, 2 shots for Ramos. First run, no good. Second throw. Second throw. Basket. Remaining time, 21 seconds. Dasilio. Pass to Publico. To Dasilio. Easy 2 points by Dasilio. Remaining time, 13 seconds. Foul. Solomon. Second personal foul, penalty. First throw, no good. Second throw. Second throw, basket. Remaining time, 12 seconds. Pass to Dasilio. To be hit. Dasilio, Dubuo, 2 points. Remaining time, 8 seconds. Flores, foul. Solomon. Third personal foul. Penalty. Just score, 67-63. Apat po ang kalamangan ng Maha.
Dito ba yung 4 points? Dito?
First throw. No good. Second throw.
Quick 3 points, tapos 5. Sablay?
Second throw. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Villalon. Foul. Foul number Almodovar. First throw. Wala, first throw ni Villalon. Second throw. Second throw. Basket. 68-63. Remaining time 4 seconds. Winning team, the champion is Maha. Kenneth, pasuyo ng bola, Kenneth. Okay. Pa-picture po na tayo, Maha. Sa gitna po tayo, Maha. Sige, magdaanan muna kayo. Maha team. Champion, sa gitna po muna tayo, pa-picture. SK, pa-picture po sa Maha. Okay, pa-picture muna po tayo sa Maha. Maha po, players, Maha. Pa-picture po, Maha team. Okay. Next game, Junior Division, Phase 2E and Phase 4. Okay.
Hello.
Okay po. Bigyan po natin ng time yung Junior Division mga pag-warm up po, no? Pasuyo na lang po dito sa bench ng Phase 4.
Bukal.
Pasuyo po, mabuhay para makapag-warm up po yung team ng Junior dyan. Doon po kayo sa gilid, gumilid po tayo para makapag-warm up po sila na maayos.